Selamat guys, and welcome to the FNF unboxing for the month of April. This month is gonna be amazing, full of innovation and newness.
First of all, we are so happy to present to you our brand new beauty guide. It looks gorgeous and it has wow offers, as well as so many more tips and tricks that you can simply access via the Oriflame app scanner. FJ, it also has a QR code which will help you find all the products online. It has an incredible back cover offer and of course a lot of brand new amazing Oriflame products. That's right, FN. Speaking of new products, we now have the highly awaited Baby O! Check out inside the beauty guide for all its benefits and even some usage tips.
On top of that, we of course have amazing offers. The new skincare, Glow Essentials and Love Nature face washes. The One Lip Sensation Matte Velvet. On Color Perfect Duo Eye Pencil and Big Lash Mascara Waterproof. Jordana Gold Bronzing Pearls and Silky Powder Polisher. Pure Skin Refreshing Face Toner, a blackhead clearing mask, and a blackhead remover. Last but not least, we also have a 35th anniversary offer on the amazing On Color Cream Lipstick.
Are we finished yet? No. We have saved the best for last. We are also launching a new welcome program and a brand new loyalty program.
Don't forget the final amazing thing.
Yes, because we will have an invitation bonus during the whole month of April, which will be paid out to our qualifiers every Friday.
Guys, I'm so excited! Now it's time to check out our amazing beauty guide, look in our Instagram, our Facebook, our website, all the material that we have prepared for you. Happy fasting, stay healthy, and
Sampai jumpa!